और अगर भारत ने जारहियत की तो 2019 की तरह सख्त जवाब दिया जाएगा। लंदन में पाकिस्तान के हाई कमिश्नर डॉक्टर मोहम्मद फैसल ने भारतीय इल्जामात बेबुनियाद करार दे दिए। कहा, कश्मीर का हल अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा के करारदादों और कश्मीरी अवाम की राय से ही मुमकिन है। पाकिस्तान जंग नहीं चाहता, पुरअमन मुज़ाकरात का ख्वाह है।
They would be appropriately answered like they have been in 2019 and before, but we don't want that. This is not our desire. We want peaceful resolution. We want a dialogue. There have been instances where eventually it was found out that terror or such an incident had initiated from within Indian control area. The solution lies in accepting that this is a disputed problem, disputed territory, then finding a solution as per the UN Security Council resolutions and our bilateral agreements. Everything points to this. Because there is no other solution. You ask the people. If they want to join with India, fine. If they want to join with Pakistan, fine. Unless you address the root cause of the root cause is not Pahalgam or any other terror incident, or even the terror incidents in Pakistan that the Indians claim. The Indians, have been claiming even terror attacks within Pakistan and in Canada and elsewhere. But the root cause is the Jammu and Kashmir dispute. Let's resolve the dispute. Unless you resolve the dispute, you will have problems.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।